Math Humans. We're going to continue our work with logarithms, and today we're going to be solving log equations. So our objectives are that we're going to solve log equations. The basic tool in your toolbox is we're going to be converting from log form to exponent form and vice versa. So we might start in exponent form and then go to log form. So I just have a series of examples, not very many. So for example number 1, I want to solve, and you're going to be given the log base 4 of x is equal to 7. So if you'll notice, this one is starting in log form, so I want to convert to exponent form. So remember, we start with the base. The base to the solution is equal to x. Well, now this is just a calculator exercise, and so I just do this in my calculator. And I'm going to clear, and I'm going to do 4 raised to the 7, and I get that it's 16,384. So I'm going to say that x is equal to 163,84. So notice again that my primary tactic was it started in log form, and I went back to exponent form. For example number 2, the directions are still going to say solve. And this time it's going to look a little bit different. Plus 3 log base 4 of x is 10. Oops, forgot this is the 1. So now we have a little bit more algebra to do, but I'm going to simplify first. And then I'm going to convert to exponent form. So the first thing I want to do is take the 4 to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 4. So I'm going to get 3 log base 4 of x. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 3 because I need to isolate this term. So I'm going to get the log base 4 of x is 2. Now I can go back to exponent form, right? So I'm going to 4 to the second is equal to x, and 4 squared is 16. So that was actually pretty straightforward, right? I told you the examples were nice and easy today. So example number 3, we just keep adding a few more entertaining elements to our equations. So I'm going to have the 4 log base 2 of x plus 3 is equal to 12. So when I get ready to solve this, and I guess I should write that the directions are solved, the first thing that I'm going to do is isolate this part of the expression. So I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 4. So I'm going to get the log base 2 of x plus 3 is equal to 3. Now I'm going to go back to exponent form. So I'm going to do 2 to the third is equal to x plus 3. And at this point, I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. Okay? And if you need to, you can do this in your calculator or you can do it by hand. 2 to the third is 8, minus 3 is equal to 5, and so I get that x is equal to 5. So that was nice and polite. All right, I have one more example. Yay. Nice short video today. So this equation is going to be our most entertaining yet. So I'm going to have 4 plus 3 log base 7 of x minus 5 is equal to 10. So remember, when we're solving equations, I have to undo everything that happens. The goal is to isolate this part of the expression. So the first thing that I'm going to do is subtract 4. So I'm going to write 3 log base 7 of x minus 5. 10 minus 4 is 6. I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 3, and I get the log base 7 of x minus 5 is equal to 2. Now I can go back to exponent form because I have this part of the expression all by itself. So 7 squared is equal to x minus 5. The last thing is to move the 5 to the other side, so I'm going to add 5. And so I get x is equal to 7 squared is 49, plus 5 is going to be 54. And so I get x is equal to 54. So logarithms look really scary, but they're really actually fairly simple. So thanks for being here today. I'll see you soon.